If you've been seeing the Muravai shower head all over the internet and wondering if it's actually worth buying, you're not alone. I decided to take a closer look to see whether it lives up to the hype. Here's my honest review. First impressions are pretty good. The Muravai showerhead has a modern design that looks much more premium than a standard showerhead. Installation is also straightforward. In most cases, you can simply unscrew your old showerhead and attach this one without needing any special tools. Now let's talk about the shower experience because that's what really matters. One of the biggest selling points is the high-pressure spray. If your home has low water pressure, you'll probably notice an improvement. The water feels stronger and more focused, making showers feel more refreshing without necessarily using more water. Another feature I like is the multiple spray modes. Whether you prefer a gentle rainfall effect, a powerful massage spray, or something in between, switching between the settings is simple. It's a nice touch because everyone has different preferences, and it makes the shower feel a bit more luxurious. The build quality is decent for the price. While it's not made entirely from metal like some premium showerheads, the materials don't feel cheap either. As long as it's installed properly and treated with normal care, it should hold up well for everyday use. One thing many people ask about is whether it actually saves water. The answer is yes, to an extent. The design helps maintain good pressure while controlling water flow, so you can potentially reduce water usage without sacrificing the overall shower experience. Of course, your actual savings will depend on how long your showers are. Now let's talk about the downsides. The first thing to remember is that this isn't a miracle product. If your home's water pressure is extremely low because of plumbing issues, no showerhead can completely solve that problem. It can improve the experience, but it won't magically fix your plumbing. Another downside is that some of the spray settings may feel too strong if you prefer a softer, spa-like shower. Thankfully, since there are multiple modes, you can usually find one that's comfortable. Finally, if you're expecting premium luxury quality similar to very expensive bathroom brands, you might be a little disappointed. The Muravai showerhead is designed to offer good value for its price, rather than compete with high-end fixtures costing several times more. So, is the Muravai showerhead worth your money? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're looking for an affordable upgrade that offers better pressure, multiple spray options, and quick installation. It delivers solid performance without costing a fortune, making it a practical choice for most households. However, if your plumbing system has serious water pressure problems, or you're only interested in premium luxury bathroom fixtures, you may want to consider higher-end alternatives. Overall, I'd say the Muravai showerhead offers good value for the price. It's easy to install, improves the shower experience for many users, and includes features you'd normally expect at a higher price point. If you're thinking about upgrading your bathroom without spending a lot of money, this is definitely one to consider.